When it comes to exercising, hydration is just as important as the workout itself. Our bodies lose water through sweat, leading to dehydration if not replenished properly. In this article, we'll explore why hydration is crucial when exercising and provide tips on how to stay hydrated during your workouts. The importance of hydration during exercise. Proper hydration is essential for optimal athletic performance. When we exercise, our bodies lose water through sweat, leading to dehydration if not replenished. Dehydration can cause fatigue, cramps, and even heat stroke. Adequate hydration, on the other hand, helps regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and deliver nutrients and oxygen to muscles. Signs of dehydration. It's important to be aware of the signs of dehydration when exercising. These can include thirst, dark yellow urine, dizziness, headache, fatigue, dry mouth and throat, and muscle cramps. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to take a break, hydrate, and rest before continuing your workout. How to stay hydrated during exercise. Staying hydrated during exercise doesn't have to be difficult. Here are some tips to help you stay hydrated. Start hydrating before you exercise. Drink water before you start exercising to ensure that you're starting out hydrated. This will help prevent dehydration during your workout. Bring a water bottle. Always bring a water bottle with you when exercising. This will make it easy to take regular water breaks and ensure that you stay hydrated throughout your workout. Take regular water breaks. It's important to take regular breaks during your workout to drink water. Aim to drink water every 15 to 20 minutes to ensure that you're staying hydrated. Drink fluids with electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals that help regulate the body's fluid balance. Drinking fluids with electrolytes, such as sports drinks or coconut water, can help replenish lost electrolytes during exercise. Monitor your urine color. The color of your urine can be a good indicator of your hydration status. If your urine is pale yellow or clear, you're likely adequately hydrated. If it's dark yellow, you may be dehydrated and need to drink more water. Be aware of the signs of dehydration. It's important to be aware of the signs of dehydration, such as thirst, dark yellow urine, dizziness, headache, fatigue, dry mouth and throat, and muscle cramps. If you experience any of these symptoms, take a break, hydrate, and rest before continuing your workout. Hydration is crucial when exercising. Proper hydration helps regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and deliver nutrients and oxygen to muscles. Be sure to start hydrating before you exercise. Bring a water bottle, take regular water breaks, drink fluids with electrolytes, monitor your urine color, and be aware of the signs of dehydration. By following these tips, you can stay hydrated during your workouts and achieve optimal athletic performance. Remember, staying hydrated is just as important as the workout itself.